Hey there! Ever wondered what space smells like? Believe it or not, astronauts say it smells like seared steak. Crazy, right? Let's dive into why that might be. When astronauts come back from a spacewalk, their suits carry a distinct aroma. It's a mix of hot metal and fried steak, thanks to the vacuum of space. This smell is due to high-energy vibrations and particles in space. So next time you grill a steak, imagine you're floating among the stars. Pretty wild, huh? Space, the final frontier, and it smells delicious.